Hi everybody, Paul here. So when should your car battery be replaced? You certainly don't want to wait until your car won't start, which could leave you stranded somewhere. Waiting too long to replace your battery will also cause premature failure to different components on the car. A weak, faulty car battery will cause premature failure to the alternator and premature failure to the starter. Once the battery can no longer maintain the proper voltage, the diodes and voltage regulator on the alternator will become stressed, causing premature failure. Likewise, the contacts inside the starter solenoid can become welded together or even burned through from cranking the engine too long, causing premature failure. So at what point does a battery's condition actually start causing premature failure to the alternator and starter? And when I say the battery's condition, I'm talking about how much voltage does the battery have when the car is not running. The quickest and easiest way to check the voltage of a battery is with a digital multimeter. The best time to check the battery is after the car has been sitting overnight. With the car not running, simply attach the probes from the digital multimeter to the positive and negative battery terminals and turn the selector switch to DC volts. If it shows 12.6 volts or more, the battery condition is 100%. If it shows 12.4 volts, the battery condition is 75%. If it shows 12.2 volts, the battery condition is 50%. If it shows 12.0 volts, the battery condition is 25%. And if it shows 11.8 volts or less, the battery condition is 0%. Once the battery falls below 12.2 volts or the battery condition is less than 50%, the battery will start causing premature failure to the alternator and starter. This is why it's really important to occasionally check the condition of your battery. Don't wait for a battery to become weak and faulty before you replace it. Instead, be proactive, which will pay big dividends by extending the life of your alternator and starter. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.